Hello, Central Road students. Welcome back from winter break. We are so excited to start a brand new calendar year. Happy New Year. We are now in the year 2021. With a new calendar year, it's a time for us to reflect upon ways that we can improve. With a new year, many of us will participate in goal setting. All of us have ways that we can improve, whether that's professionally or in another area. I want you to think about ways that you can improve when it comes to your academics. That may mean doing better within a certain subject area and focusing on the content that the teacher is presenting in class. Or it could mean turning in your assignments in a more timely manner. I know that each one of you has the potential to do whatever you dream of in the future. And it's going to take hard work in school in order for you to achieve that dream. So think about what you can do this year in order to get there. As we come back to school, I would like to review the expectations and safety protocols that we have in place for this year. We want to keep Central Road open, and it's going to take teamwork and all of us following the safety procedures that we have in place in order to make sure that our school building can stay open. So let's go over some of those safety procedures now. First, I'd like to talk about arrival. When you come to Central Road every day, it's important that you have your lanyard signed by your parents. The lanyard will be checked when you're getting off of the school bus, or if you are a car rider or walker, it will be checked at door 4. I want you to take on the responsibility of reminding your parents every day that your lanyard does need to be signed. They should also help you with taking your temperature. When you come to Central Road, we are going to be moving our self-certification stations inside of our building. Please be sure to follow the social distancing guidelines and staying at least 6 feet away from other students. So if you're waiting in line to have your temperature checked or to have your lanyard checked, please be mindful of these expectations. Temperature checks and lanyard checks will now take place inside of our building. So if you're a walker or car rider, you'll still go in through door 4, and the staff members will be waiting for you right inside of the doorway. Door 1, the procedures will look the same. And at door 6, you will also be going into the building to have your temperature and lanyard checked. After those 2 things are done, it's also very important that you sanitize your hands. Many of you are going to be wearing gloves since it's now winter. Take your gloves off, put them into your pockets, and then put the hand sanitizer on your hands and make sure to rub it all around. When you're in our building, it's important to social distance. You should be at least 6 feet from all other students and staff members at all times. Remember, at the beginning of the year, we taught you about airplane arms. If you can touch the person that is close to you, if your hands are out like an airplane, that means that you're too close to each other. So be mindful of that. I also really liked the way that I saw students walking in the hallway in line. If you're not sure if the person in front of you is too close, you can put your arms out in front of you, just like a zombie. You don't need to keep your hands up when you're walking in the hallway, but it's just a tool to help you know if you're far enough apart from the person in front of you. I know that you're going to do a great job with these procedures. The other thing I'd like to go over is our mask expectations. Remember, you have to wear a mask at all times. From the moment that you leave your home to the moment that you return back home, your mask should be on. Proper mask wearing means that your mask is on over your nose and over your mouth at all times. All of the staff members will be wearing masks as well. I'm going to take my mask off right now because I am alone within this room. The only time that you should be taking your mask off at Central Road is when you are eating. And after you're finished, it's important to put your mask right back on. You did a great job in the fall with our mask procedures, so I know you will continue to follow these expectations to make sure that everybody is safe at all times. Now I'd like to talk a little bit about our recess procedures. During recess, all of the classes have been assigned zones. I know that each one of you remembers your zone outside. So be sure when you go outside for recess that you go directly to your zone and you stay within that area for the entire outdoor recess time period. When you're outside during outdoor recess, it's important that you are social distancing from the other students in your class. I like seeing students participate in games where you were able to social distance. So a game like tag, for example, if you actually touched somebody, you would be breaking the rules and you would be too close to each other. But I saw students playing shadow tag, and that was a great way to continue to have fun, but also remain safe. Your masks need to stay on at all times when you are outside for recess. As you know, right now it is winter, so there are times where there's going to be snow. Since outdoor recess is out on the field and our expectation is that all students are wearing boots and snow pants, there is going to be days where we have indoor recess. For indoor recess, you can participate in games at your desk. I encourage you to bring items from home that you enjoy playing with. It could mean a small toy or maybe a crossword puzzle. It does have to be something that can stay within your backpack during the school day and that could easily be taken out and then put right back into your backpack after recess is over. Some of your teachers may elect to show you movies during recess time, and that's okay. But it's going to be important that if we do have indoor recess, that students are remaining at their desks so that we know everyone's safe and at least 6 feet apart. Now I'd like to talk a little bit about our dismissal procedures. Our dismissal procedures will be very similar to what they were in the fall. We will be making announcements and inviting grade levels out so that we can ensure that there are only a few classes out while they're loading the bus. When you load the bus, you need to go directly to your assigned seat. If you are a car rider, please report to the kindergarten hallway. You need to find one of the spots on the ground and stand there and be patient until your car arrives and your name is called. When your name is called, you may go outside and load your vehicle. We need your help. Please pay attention to the staff members that are assisting you so that when your name is called, you can hear them and you go directly outside so that we can move the car rider lane along. Remember, when you're exiting the building, it's also important that you social distance. Stay far apart from other students. Remember, you can always use your zombie arms if you're not sure if you're too close. Also, when you're leaving the building out of door 4, it's important that you stay on the sidewalk. We are not stepping on the bricks near the courtyard. That's not safe, and I want to make sure that each and every one of you is safe at all times. So stay on the sidewalk and then go either to your bus or to your car, or if your parents are meeting you at Central Road, you will connect with them when you're outside. Boys and girls, I am so excited that you are back in the building. And those students who are virtual, we are so excited that you are back within the learning environment too. I know that we are going to make 2021 a fantastic year. It's going to take teamwork and flexibility. And together, we are going to make sure that the end of this school year is a great one. Make it a great day.